Welcome to Auto Motor Vibes, your ultimate destination for everything on wheels, where passion meets precision and performance drives every review. Here, we explore the latest releases, decode the most advanced technologies, and take you inside the world of modern automotive engineering. Today, we turn our attention to a beast that balances luxury, speed, and sheer road presence like no other. This is the 2025 Audi RS Q8, a flagship performance SUV that pushes boundaries and redefines what a luxury sport utility vehicle can truly be. The 2025 Audi RS Q8 continues to build on the strong foundation of its predecessors while receiving subtle yet impactful enhancements in design and performance. From the outside, it is instantly recognizable thanks to its aggressive stance, massive grille with honeycomb detailing, signature matrix LED headlights, and muscular body lines. Audi has refined the front and rear bumpers for a sportier look, integrated larger air intakes, and added new wheel options, including lightweight 23-inch alloy wheels for those wanting maximum visual impact. The vehicle looks both athletic and premium, a balance Audi has mastered in the RS lineup. Under the hood, the RS Q8 remains a powerhouse, featuring a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine that produces around 621 horsepower and 850 Nm of torque. Paired with an 8-speed Tiptronic automatic transmission and Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system, the RS Q8 can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 3.8 seconds. That is supercar territory wrapped in the body of a family SUV. The dynamic package allows for active roll stabilization and rear-wheel steering, giving the RS Q8 surprising agility and sharpness through corners despite its size and weight. The driving experience is nothing short of exhilarating. The RS-tuned adaptive air suspension constantly adjusts to driving conditions, ensuring both comfort and performance whether you're cruising down the highway or attacking a mountain pass. The exhaust system provides a deep, throaty growl that intensifies as you move through the drive modes, especially in dynamic mode where the vehicle comes alive with sharper throttle response and firmer suspension. Whether you want a calm luxury cruiser or a track-capable SUV, the RS Q8 gives you the best of both worlds at the push of a button. Step inside the cabin, and the RS Q8 reminds you that performance does not come at the cost of comfort. The interior is trimmed with premium Valcona leather, carbon fiber inlays, and Alcantara accents. The flat-bottomed RS steering wheel, stainless steel pedals, and RS-specific displays in the digital cockpit add a motorsport vibe to the cabin. The twin-screen MMI touch response system dominates the dashboard, with haptic feedback and crisp resolution for intuitive control. Everything feels premium and driver-focused, yet still practical enough for daily family use. Technology is another highlight. The RS Q8 is equipped with the latest version of Audi's virtual cockpit, now with RS-specific performance readouts like G-meter, lap times, and power output. There's also a head-up display, 3D surround view camera, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a premium Bang & Olufsen sound system with 3D sound immersion. Ambient lighting, 4-zone climate control, and heated and ventilated seats all work together to ensure every ride feels first class, no matter the destination. In terms of practicality, the RS Q8 offers a spacious rear cabin with ample legroom and headroom for adult passengers, and a generous cargo area that expands with foldable rear seats. Despite its sporty nature, Audi has ensured that daily usability remains intact. This makes the RS Q8 an attractive choice for those who demand both thrills and practicality in one stunning package. Safety and driver assistance are also well covered. The RS Q8 comes standard with features like adaptive cruise assist, lane departure warning, forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking, and intersection assist. Optional packages can add more advanced systems such as night vision assist, active lane centering, and traffic jam assist. Audi's commitment to integrating smart technology with high-performance driving is evident across every part of this SUV. The 2025 Audi RS Q8 stands as a flagship performance SUV that perfectly blends brute power with refined elegance. It competes with the best in the world while offering a distinctly Audi driving experience. Whether you are looking for a family car that thrills like a sports coupe or an everyday driver that can hold its own on the track, the RS Q8 delivers in every department with poise and confidence. Thanks for watching this in-depth look at the 2025 Audi RS Q8. Here at Auto Motor Vibes, we bring you closer to the machines that ignite our passion for driving. If you love fast cars, luxury engineering, and the sound of raw power, then make sure to subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for more reviews, test drives, and all things automotive right here.